The Regional Expansion Project. The company announced a plan to expand its regional operations early next year. The proposal was reviewed by senior management during the quarterly meeting. Several concerns regarding budget allocation were raised at the discussion. Despite initial resistance, the plan was approved by the board. The project manager was assigned to oversee the implementation process. A detailed schedule was distributed to all departments involved. The timeline was adjusted to account for staffing limitations. The manager emphasized the importance of meeting key deadlines. A training session was arranged for employees assigned to the project. The session focused on improving coordination between teams. As demand continued to increase, additional resources were requested. The finance department reviewed the request carefully. Funding was approved provided that expenses remained within budget. The updated budget was shared with department heads. Several suppliers were contacted to provide cost estimates. The vendors submitted their proposals ahead of schedule. After reviewing the bids, one supplier was selected. The contract was finalized without delay. The supplier confirmed that delivery would begin next month. The operations team prepared the facilities accordingly. Although minor issues were identified, progress remained steady. A follow-up meeting was held to address remaining concerns. The manager requested an explanation of why certain tasks were delayed. The team reported that technical issues had affected productivity. Additional support was provided to resolve the problem. The issue was resolved, thereby preventing further delays. Regular updates were sent to headquarters. The reports outlined the strategies implemented during the quarter. Customer feedback was monitored closely throughout the process. Several suggestions were incorporated into the final plan. Rather than postponing the launch, the team adjusted the rollout strategy. Marketing materials were revised to reflect the changes. The campaign was designed to attract new clients. A regional director reviewed the promotional strategy. Approval was granted after minor revisions were made. The announcement was released to the public. Media coverage increased following the announcement. The response exceeded initial expectations. Sales figures improved significantly within the first month. The results were shared with stakeholders. Prior to the official launch, final inspections were conducted. All systems were tested to ensure reliability. The launch proceeded as planned. Employees were informed of their revised responsibilities. A support team was assigned to handle customer inquiries. Feedback was collected during the initial phase. Several adjustments were made based on customer responses. The project was completed successfully. Performance was evaluated against original objectives. The team received positive recognition for their efforts. Following the project, a review session was conducted. Lessons learned were documented for future reference. The company decided to apply similar strategies to other regions. Additional expansion plans were considered. The executive team expressed confidence in future growth. A summary report was prepared for shareholders. The report highlighted key achievements and challenges. Recommendations were included for upcoming initiatives. Overall performance was considered highly satisfactory. The project set a strong foundation for future development.